How to get Shroud Core in Enshrouded game. There are many places where you can get it. One of them is in the Elixir Wells. When you come to Elixir Well, you can find some creatures that can drop the item for you. So you have to farm in those places. I'll show you how. So near the beginning of the game, near the Cinder Vault, you can come here to choose Elixir Well. There are others in the map that you will find as you play the game. And when you get there, you will find those bosses. You just have to slay them, and they will give you Shroud Core, alright? See you next time.